Hello, Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy. Okay, so people keep on asking me, how's the market right now? The market, if you're looking to sell, if you're thinking about selling, it's an amazing time. Don't just take my word for it. Let me show you some statistics along with some news that's out there. It's pretty crazy right now. This is Redfin News. Redfin News says housing market update for sale, home supply hits all-time low. Absolute all-time low. Now, this is pretty crazy. Home prices hit a new all-time high as it became even more common for homes to find buyers within 1 week. So this is nationwide. Let's take a look at what's happening in our neck of the woods. Months of inventory right now. Remember, months of inventory, what that means is that the amount of inventory that's there, if it were to stop right now, this is how long it would actually take to gobble up that inventory up. As of November, it was 0.5 months worth of inventory. Half a month. That's the lowest that we've ever seen it. And that's the lowest that you can see here from the statistics that we have. That's the lowest that it's ever been here over the last 4 years at this point. So yes, I absolutely agree that now housing is the best time to sell ever. If you're looking to buy, there's still some opportunities out there, but if you're looking to sell, now is an amazing time. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always here and happy to help. Happy holidays. Sam Spinella, phone number is 408-393-9294. Talk to you soon.